So far so good. I made it all the way from there over here, all the way on the top of the hill, and I can tell you it's fun even to ride off-road this bicycle. It will get a little bit dirty, but easy to wipe out the dirt with microfiber. The motor 750 really powerful, integrated battery, it's great. The fork is pretty good even for off-road. So far, big thumbs up to Ijo for doing a good job on this bicycle, and I will ride more, most likely to the beach. And it's a very nice, really nice brake system. As I said before, hydraulic brakes, stop really good. The things I like about this bicycle, you don't have to set it up much. Everything set up, adjusted already, so derailleur switch really nicely. The brake system works really good. Didn't have to do anything other than putting handlebar attached, the front wheel, which is easy to attach, and that's all. The seat. So the bicycle really good. It's about $2,000, which sounds kind of a lot, but if you compare the quality and the brake system, the motor, all together with all the features it comes, it's a really good price. I'll post the link in description. I'm not sure if they will do any special. They never told me about this, but if they do, I will post it in description as well. So that's about it. That's my review about this bicycle. I think it's a great bicycle for riding in the city. I rode in the mountain, as you could see. It's a pretty hill area, and it took the hills pretty well. I would not really compare it to the fat tires bike, but for the thin tires, it's pretty good city bicycle. I like this bicycle for the quality and performance. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And it's beautiful here as spring is coming. I guess it's already came, everything blooming, beautiful day. The things I like about the bicycle is that the pedal assist and the thumb throat works independently, and the throat works independently, so if I need a little bit more torque, I can always so it does going up hills easily, as this hill is pretty high, so but this bicycle very quiet. The motor is even in uphill is still going very quiet. Also the tires thinner, so it's not that loud as fat tires. That's the biggest difference. The city bicycle and all-terrain bicycle. Wow. Over here it's a bit uphill. Going about 11, 13 miles, and I think it's just enough to go uphill on level 3 penalties, so it's good. And now it's gonna be one of the toughest hills over here. And it's made it, so let's see if I can go here. So going down hills is not really a problem with the bicycle, even off-road, because the brakes are really good. The tires are not designed again, but it's grabbing pretty well, so have no problem riding off-road on this bicycle as well.